Can you tell me it's the first time you're going to visit?
This is actually secretly the second time that I see it, because when they were preparing the boat for the boat show, they were with 20 people here. It was one big mess, and I sneaked in. And I was extremely enthusiastic already. So, but now I'm very curious how it will look like in an exhibition mode. Oh yeah. Yeah, I already see it. This is my place.
Today you have a new camera guy.
Yeah, I have a new camera. But this is so great. The whole.
I'm sure you can do several, yeah.
Oh yeah, we can do it together. Yeah,
No,
yeah.
by chance Mark did not sit.
No, don't tell Mark. Eh?
No, okay.
No,
And we
okay.
can have more people if you.
No, this is really great. This is a very nice cockpit, I think. I love this lounging area, and then the L-shaped couch. And here the bar. I think it's great. I really think it's great. You get a good view when you stare here. Winch inside here. And here this one. No, we sailed on the 45 with Nino in the Gliwo. We were actually several days on their boat. This is a huge difference. Like the whole inside, outside, how they use the space. On the 45 it's really, you have a cabin and you have a cockpit, and when it's raining everything is wet here. This boat is, yeah, it's a huge difference. It's unbelievable. Hi Frank, how are you?
Good to see you.
I'm very much surprised about the space. It's enormous for 48 feet. I don't know how they did it, but it's... So I think maybe even I can cook a meal here, I'm not sure, but possibly. This is also a lot bigger than on the 45, this space. But the funny thing is, if you look at this boat outside, it is definitely the new model, the new line of Outremer's, but I can still see the 45 in it. This can probably go up for like a dining table. Oh yeah, use space.
Yeah, so you can store things
Yeah.
here. So.
I don't know
Oh,
if
this
you
is
it's
the-
smart, but we try to find some new ideas.
Yeah, this
And
is...
some new.
Oh, that's smart. Lots of storage. Here, look here, this storage. You can see the other bow from here. Yeah, and this is very smart, that you can hold on high seas. Same as on the 55, of course, that you sometimes need to be with two persons. These ideas, actually we want to do exactly the same on the 57, so that you can operate the boat with one person. When you are doing night watches or whatever, you don't want to wake up the other constantly. So easy to do, and then suddenly you can single-handed sail the boat. Oh, the winch on the foredeck is here instead of there. Yeah, why not? So this is a Genoa, so they have a staysail also, I see. That goes here. Yeah, decent steps. Oh, hey! This is a nice trampoline with the small holes. A lot smaller than we had on Great Circle. And this is also very safe. On the 55 we didn't have it, on the 57 we are going to have it. Yeah, but that really feels a lot better.
In the end, you like it?
Not a little bit. I like it very much. I think it's a very smart boat. Yeah.